How to find education information settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find education information settings on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here and go down and click settings and privacy and then click settings again, and then you will find this one, profile information. And now all you need to do is just click here, add college or add high school, and that's it. That's how to find education information on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.